You are welcome to GW Ventures. If this is your first time coming to this channel, please subscribe. Subscribe and turn on the notification button to get all updates on how to import goods from China to your destination country. Let's go. We are into learn how to download the 1688 app that we use for our purchasing from China. So I click on my Chrome browser, and in the search button I'll type 1688. Then I search for it. I'm going to allow it to load. When it loads this way, you are going to likely be seeing this Alibaba.com. Please, that is not what we are talking about, so you don't choose that one, but then you select the one with the 1688.com, this one here. That is what you are going to click on. So we click on that one, and allow it to load. Click on it and allow it to load. When it loads and it comes this way, you click at the topmost here. Click at the top here, and then it will load, taking you to a place where you will be eligible to download the 1688 application. Yes, so this is what you do. You click on this orange button, then you download. So immediately our 1688 app begins to download, and that is how to go about it. Wait whilst it downloads. Welcome once again. Remember to subscribe to this channel for all the updates that we will be giving here. Okay, let's continue how to install your 1688 app after getting it downloaded. The first thing to do is to click on your file manager. Click on the file manager and allow it to open. When it opens, when you have yours like this, you go to all files. But the most important thing is to try to locate your internal storage. Click on it, then you get to downloads. When you get to download, the 1688 app is going to be represented as Alibaba Android or whatever. You click on it, and then it will take you to the installation zone where the app loads comfortably and then installs onto your phone. So the installation is ongoing. Installation is taking a bit time here. But I'll pause the video for you not to use much of your data. So I'll pause the video, but it will install and then we continue from there. Voila, our 1688 app has been installed, and I'll click on done. And I'll go back to my phone to see it. This is our 1688 app. I can hold it like this to send a desktop shortcut because I want to have it here. Please, this is what you will have on your phone's 1688 app. It will be written in China. It will have its name in China. That way, kindly accept the Chinese language that way. Thank you very much for watching up to this place. Kindly subscribe, please, and please subscribe.